morning. This is Mohan Mera from Kalawang, Laguna. Testing OBS. Okay. Simatic. Okay. Zoom in, zoom out, fit to screen, group, move, undo, alt backspace. Okay. Save. Dito tayo sa board, switch to board. Okay, group, move, alt backspace, undo. Okay. Yung shortcut keys, okay, file edit. Okay, ito yung mga shortcut keys. Ngayon, pwede nating baguhin. Let's say, undo. Edit. Punta tayo sa option. Assign. Okay. Natin listahan. Hanapin natin yung undo. F9. Okay. New. Control Z. Undo. UNDO. Z. Enter. Okay. Okay. Let's say move natin to. Then Control Z. Okay. Option assign. Undo. UNDO. Capital natin. Letter U. Okay, sandali. Undo. Okay. Alisin natin yung alt. Control, alt. Yes, override. Okay. Move natin yung group. Group. Move. Control Z. What happened? Ayaw pa rin. Assign. Undo. Okay. Cancel. Control Z. Okay. Okay. Kumana na. Group. I-align na natin sa registration mark. Reference point. Then save na natin. Then stop recording. Center mo natin lahat ng fit to screen. Fit to screen. Then switch to board. Fit to screen. Ito yung fit to screen. Okay. Zoom out. Zoom in. Fit to screen. Okay. Then Then save na natin. Then stop recording.